Guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to be cleaning the inside and the outside of my Vauxhall Corsa 1.2. Basically, I was going to do a regular service today. I was going to change the oil and everything, but the jack I was going to use does not work. It goes up perfectly fine, but doesn't want to come down. So, yeah, it's basically every time I turn the handle, it just doesn't want to do anything. So, I'm going to figure out the problem this week and see if I can fix this jack so I can get the front end of my car up so I can do that oil change. Like I said, the jack does not work. It goes up perfectly fine, but every time I turn this handle, it does not want to go down for whatever reason. But this week, I want to get this jack sorted so I can get the front end of the car up. So let's get to clean the inside of my Corsa. Let's do this. So this bucket could not be any cleaner. Running out of daylight, nothing stops me, so let's crack on. I'm going to show you the car, clean the inside and the outside. It looks absolutely, there's a big difference in it. I'll show you now, so let's go outside. I had to get the jumper pack just a minute ago to start the car up. The battery is on the way out. Need to get a new battery for it. Right, so the problem with this jack has been solved. It is missing an attachment that goes between the handle and this pin here. Let me just show you what happens. So yeah, I've got to literally tighten this up. Tighten that up there, and then it should stay in position when I do put it up. And yeah, I don't know how I've lost that, but you lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, and then it goes down. So, the video that I'm going to be recording tomorrow, obviously, is what this video should have been, which is servicing my car, oil, filter, air filter, oil filter, plugs, and I can finally get it up on actual stands. If you did enjoy this video, feel free to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and then comment your thoughts. I'll see you in the next video.